Hello, this is Cnix. In this video, I'd like to introduce a new method for different kinds of controller communication supported by the data service platform. The diagram we are looking at shows the process of transferring the value of DB0.dbw32 from a GMS PLC to MW0 of an LS PLC. First, define the data source of the write tag on the LS PLC side as the GMS PLC tag. Second, set up a forward link so that the write tag of the LS-PLC is activated whenever the GMS tag value is updated. That's it. Now, let's take a look at the demo. This screen shows the LS-PLC configuration window. This screen shows the GMS tag outline configuration window, and this screen shows the loader of LS-PLC. As you can see, the current value of MW0 is fixed at 19. Now let's copy the name of the GMS tag, which is the data source. I will paste the GMS tag as the data source for the LS-PLC write tag. Now set up a forward link so that the LS-PLC tag is activated whenever GMS tag value changes. The GMS data is being transmitted to the LS-PLC. Very easy. With just a few clicks, you can integrate your systems without limits. Thank you for watching this video.